Kaiden, and welcome to DIY Technic. Today, I built a Lego RC boat. Here are the components. This boat is a pontoon boat, because every time I tried to use the single hull, it started wobbling a bunch, so this is more sturdy because it's a wider footprint. And then we have two buggy motors to drive and steer. I didn't use a rudder because it'd be way less efficient. And then just because I wanted to get some cool camera angles, I have a GoPro on the front. And yeah, I think we should go test it on the lake. All right, let's head to the lake. All right, we're here. So the game plan is we're gonna go from the shore to the dock, and then the dock back to the shore, and yeah, let's go onto the dock. Yes! It made it! Oh, it's going in the dock. Yes! Yes! Alright, we're sending it back. It's a little bit of a detour for sure. What happened?
Did it die?
I don't know what happened.
Shoot.
All right, there was a bit of drama, and I don't know if we caught it on camera, but we almost lost the boat, and I got really scared because the battery died when it was way out. So yeah, that happened, but we did get it back, which is good. And yeah, I think let's head back home. Due to some technical issues, we couldn't get the footage from the GoPro. Sorry about that. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and comment if you have any new video ideas. See you later. Goodbye.